This is a quick build guide, and we're going to install the motor arms. Go ahead and take the adjustable head assembly, and we'll put the wood in, and make sure they're pushed in all the way. And you want to make sure that the motor arm lugs are in the position that you want them in. And in this particular one, we're pushing them all the way to the 90s. So this is pushed in all the way, and let me set this aside, and we'll go ahead and mount our motor mounts, or screw on our motor mounts. So we'll just slide them on and push them even to the end. And we need to drill a 1/8 inch hole in the motor mount. So we'll go ahead and do that now. On the motor mounts, rather, there's a you'll see that there's a indentation here in the molding process. This is where they're ejected out of the mold, and the pin pushes them out. And if you go right into the center of that, it's a good guide, and it works really well that way. So we're going to go ahead and get these drilled. Okay, now that they're drilled, we'll go ahead and put them on and put them even with the end. Now we'll take our 16th inch bit, and we'll drill the pilot hole. These take 5/8 inch screws. We'll go ahead and screw them on. Now we'll go ahead and drill the holes through to mount the heads on. And we just put them on, and here we're going to use it, and we're going to drill it through. And what we're going to do, we're going to drill it through here, and we're drilling it through the frame wood also. So once again, you don't want to go too far down through there. You'll feel it when it goes through the frame wood, and at that point, you know, just stop, and you won't go too far, or you know, get any or have any chance rather of damaging the end. So again, if you want, you can take this, put it on, go ahead and get you a rough measurement, and it's about there, and you could put a piece of tape here and go to that point, and you're good. So we'll go ahead and get that screwed in now. I'm sorry, drilled. Okay, you want to make sure all the debris is cleaned out, which I just did, and we're ready to mount them. Now, what I've done also is I've already put the washers onto the screws, and you want to make sure that you do that. And we'll go ahead and put a nut in the receptor. It fits in there, and you just hold it in with your finger. And I'm gonna go ahead and get these put on. I would suggest using a screwdriver for these. Using a drill is, you really can't feel it too good, and it's just I think better off to use a screwdriver for that. Depending on what you're going to do with it, this particular one I'm using a red for the front and white for the back, and I'm going to run 60 degrees on the front. That's 60 degrees this way, and obviously 30 this way, and I'm going to do 45 in the back, and that's normally you know, the dead cat configuration. But anyway, 60 front, 45 in the back. Okay, we have them on. Just remember, if you don't mind, that each click, whenever you're moving it on the teeth, is 15 degrees, so it makes it really easy. You know, if you're doing, you know, 45 in the back, it's 3, and if you're doing 60 in the front, it'd be 4. So it's real easy to do that if you keep that in mind. And we're done there with the arms. They're installed, and next we're going to do the pan and deck mounting. Thank you. See you soon.